Alright guys, welcome back to my new series where I learn how to use Python while teaching you guys. That was the initial goal, to teach you guys while I learn Python, but apparently the stuff got way too confusing. So the new series where I learn how to use Python for 100 days. And as you guys can tell by the title and thumbnail, this is the weekly progress for my... I forgot what week was it. What was my previous week video? Let me actually show you guys my gameplay screen. Okay, my previous was the week 12. Okay, so this is currently week 13, day 86, if I'm not wrong. Okay, there we go. I did stream 59 minutes ago. Yeah, I needed an hour break before I could record. I was really exhausted. That aside, what did I do this week? Let's see. So, 7 days ago, for my week 12, I went through images and collisions in Python. For my week 13, I went through text, images, and game logic in Python again. Plus, I went through gravity in Python, and then I started learning object-oriented programming in Python inside Pygames, if that made any sense. Because if you guys like watched my previous lives, I already went through object-oriented programming here. So like classes and objects, although these were not using Pygames and everything. So yeah, I went through object-oriented programming in Pygames. I had like 2 streams for that, and then I went with object-oriented programming and game logic in Python, and then game logic in Python. Let me show you guys the game that I kinda built. I don't take credit for it because I did ask Sensei/ChatGPT's help for that. That aside, let me open Pygame. So this is a basic code that I made. If I like run the command, yeah, it's taking a while to render. Okay, so I gotta like dodge these players, collect these coins, and if I hit 10 coins, then I like basically win. But if I collide them, I lose, and it says you lost. Press R to play again. I can press R to play again. Let me try to lock in and win. Why is my skeleton flying up? Hold up, guys. Let me just fix that real quick. That's my dragon. That's my skeleton class. Okay, so that should be 350 or 400. Let's see. Okay, perfect. I think I know where I messed up, guys. Let me go a little lower. For my game reset logic, skeleton.reset should be 350. Okay, perfect. Now let's try winning the game. Guys, I suck at this. Can you guys believe I actually made this game? But then I can't win it myself. I should give myself admin commands, like some cheats. Okay, come on. I need some more points. Some more scores. Okay. Guys, hold up. Okay, hold up, guys. Hold on. Don't call me a cheater, guys. Let's keep this like a fair amount of points for the time being. I just want to show you guys I just want to show you. Guys, I swear I'm not losing on purpose. There. Okay, guys, I just want to show you guys how this works. I win. I won fair and square, guys. You guys can't say anything about that. If I hit R, the game resets. That aside, this is basically all I did for this week. Let me go back to my main camera. And guys, I am a bit exhausted right now because I gotta do my college stuff plus my programming/YouTube stuff. That's the reason I'm not uploading much shorts and everything. Although that's basically it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Like helps my algorithm. Sharing makes me smile, and subscribing is like a cherry on top. And guys, I did start multi-streaming on Twitch, Kick, and YouTube at the same time. So if you guys want to follow me there, the link is in the description. And well, I'll catch you guys in the next live stream or video. Peace!